What's great about Jayco is the culture. It's, you know, treating folks as you would want to be treated, building the product as though it was your own, building them one at a time, establishing that family relationship with not only our dealers, but our customers as well.
Here at Jayco and Integra Coach, we love to work with RV1 because they're a dealership that really takes training seriously. As a matter of fact, so seriously that they've got a group of 30 people here at the factory for 2 days to do specialized training so that they can make sure their salespeople are equipped with all the knowledge and information they need to make an impact back at the dealerships.
One thing that we see from RV1, which is different than our other dealerships we work with, is they invest heavily into training, and they invest in their people, their employees.
So Jayco puts together this training just for RV1, and that is like a huge deal because no other manufacturer really does that. Takes the time to bring in their salespeople and shows us, again, behind the scenes, how everything's put together, and it makes a big difference.
I've been told that all the Jaycos were Amish crafted. I didn't really know what that meant, but coming here to the factory, literally almost every worker here is Amish, and you can tell that they really care and take pride in their work.
I think it's awesome that RV1 is doing this. They're really investing their time into us as salespeople. Sending us down here is amazing to me. I love it.
I learned so much here at Jayco in the past couple days. After this kind of training, I just have so much better idea of the kind of features and benefits, the product that we're selling every day. And because of that, I think I'm going to be able to educate our customers so much better. And so it's really a great experience overall.
They know the product from the inside out. It's not just something that they can show you a walk around. They actually know how they're built, and they know what sets them apart from other brands.